Hi guys, and welcome to day 3 of music. So today we're going to talk about the different types of notes. So this type of note that you're seeing, they give us a couple different options, but you guys have seen this before, so hopefully you remember that this is an eighth note. Okay, and the way an eighth note is counted is 1 and it has that little funny plus sign under it. And this is going to really come in handy next week when you start doing rhythms again. Okay? So, our definition is 1 beat contains 2 eighth notes. Or 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat. They both mean the same thing, I'm saying it. But the important thing for you to understand here is there's 2 notes, but it only equals 1 beat. So when you were to do this, it would be counted as 1 and in the music. So I will let you have some time to copy that down. Again, if I ever move too fast, pause it or stop it, rewind a little bit, that's okay. That's what this is here for. Then from here, you're going to trace it and draw it 4 more times on the staff. And then we're going to move to our next note. Again, hopefully you recognize this. Just the one note is a quarter note. And our definition of our quarter note is 1 beat or count. And the way we count this is just 1. So in a measure, it would just be counted as 1. And then again, you're going to trace it and draw it 5 more times on the staff. So then we're going to move to our next one. So this kind of looks like the quarter note, just open. It has a hole in the middle. This is called a half note. And a half note, the way we count this is 1, 2. It has 2 beats in the measure. So, and that is our definition, 2 beats or 2 counts. So 2 beats or counts. And then again here you're going to draw it, trace it and draw it 5 more times. Then we're going to move to our next one. This is a whole note. And it always just reminds me because it looks like a hole. And the way we count this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats. So for this definition, it's 4 beats or 4 counts. So 4 beats or counts. Then again, you're going to trace it and draw it 5 more times. And then I believe this is our last one for the day. This one kind of looks like very similar to the one that we started with, but the thing you will notice that's a little bit different is at the top. So the one that we did before only had 1 bar that went across. This has 2 bars that go across on the top of it. So this is known as a 16th notes. This one's a little bit trickier. I'm going to give you the definition, and I'm not going to necessarily give you the counts for just this because it's trickier than the normal one. I'm going to show you what you guys will get for when we're counting music, so you know how to count it with that. But for our definition, for 16th notes, get 1 beat or counts. The other way to write that is 2 16th notes here. Get half a beat. And 1 16th note is 1/4 of a beat. So there's a lot to write there. Usually in our music, you're going to see it where you have 4 notes together. And it's going to look something kind of like this. Please don't laugh at my drawing. It's not the best, especially on this thing. And then you have the 2 bars. So it'll look like that. And the way we're going to count it is 1 E and da. And that's what you need to know for this. And then again, you're going to trace and practice drawing them. If you want for an extra credit or an extra star, because you guys are all awesome, I know you all are, if you want to try it, drawing it like the, with the 4 notes connected instead of just doing the 2, that would get you even another star sticker if you were here in class with me. But we can pretend to do an imaginary high five right now. Pretend I am high-fiving you. If your pet is there, you can high-five your pet. Say I'm awesome because I did it extra. From here, you guys have some whole notes and different notes and different rests that you guys have practiced. And you guys are going to work on that and draw those in the next page. So you're practicing drawing them again. Okay? So that is your day 3 notes. Good job, everybody.